When I began my journey at Dreamport 3 years ago, I thought I will be learning about travel tickets, flight tickets, but I learned something completely off the hook, and that lesson is what I want to share it with you. Hi guys, welcome back to your channel Dreamport Journey with Arpita, and this brings us to the finale episode of series 4 of What Happens in Agent's Mind, the last episode, which is what Dreamport actually taught me in the last 3 years. Eventually when I actually started my career here, I thought I would be learning everything about the travel industry. I did learn all of that, not to deny, but I learned something completely different also. Like, for an example, it taught me patience because, results don't always happen immediately. So I learned patience. The second thing, it taught me resilience because not every effort becomes, an instant solution for that or instant outcome. So it taught me adaptability because every new customer that you interact, you need to adapt to a new situation altogether. And then, of course, most importantly, it taught me consistency. Remember in one of the videos in this series I thought about consistency, the episode 3 of series 4, because success rarely comes from one big breakthrough, but it usually comes from hundreds of small improvements. Because I'll tell you, I have done a group booking of 25 people as well, but that just happens once. But over the period of time, it was just small customers, 1 booking, 2 booking, 3 booking. That taught me the consistency, and that is one of the most important things which you will not learn otherwise. Because usually, one conversation, 1 lesson, 1 mistake, 1 adjustment at a time. But if you actually see, series 1 taught us where the sale dies. Series 2 taught us, the interaction of agent and customer psychology. Series 3 taught of, invisible psychology of travel customers, so how they give you excuses to evade booking. And now series 4 is exploring what happens to an agent after experiencing all of it. And if there's one thing I have learned after 3 years, it is this, that you don't need to know everything, you don't need to be perfect, and you definitely don't need to have everything figured out at day 1, because the slowly and steadily that you learn here through the process, that is going to help you in the long run. And especially, the best part is you only have to move forward, because experience has a strange way, of teaching lessons that no training can ever teach you. So experience is something that you will not get anyway. Otherwise, even after you give a lot of money to people, you will not get experience. So the lessons usually will always arrive after struggle, not before it. And today when I look back at when I started this journey with all the negativity and everything that people had all over the platform and everything, I see I am somebody who has now learned patience, adaptability, consistency, communication, confidence. And interesting part is I have started realizing something else, something bigger, something I never expected when I first joined here. Because after enough customer conversations, enough bookings, and enough success and mistakes as well, because I've also got chargeback. Not that I've not got a chargeback, I've also got a chargeback because I made an error as well, and that's where I learned, I realized. So I think there is something much bigger which Dreamport taught me, and that is what we're going to explore in the next series, which is the series 5. So hang on, stay tuned. You will not believe what it is coming up in the series 5. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and we'll meet again in the series 5, where you're going to explore something much bigger, what Dreamport can give you. Thank you so much.